All right, WGB back at you on a Monday morning. Want to do a rip out on a ductwork that we about to install. So what we're gonna do is rip this old furnace out right here. Set this to the side before I start cutting all my holes and everything. Rip all this old stuff out. As you can see, they got the panning right here up at the top, which the return went into. That's your return panning. See, supplies already taken out. Got everything shut off the gas. Outside, I got it pumped down for my core to take off this core, cut that nonsense. Everything's coming out, including that water heater. And as you can see, the basement, electrical panel. But yeah, I'm about to run a brand new ductwork. Shout out to Milwaukee, you see it. Gotta keep that M18 rocket shining. Yeah, also gotta keep the headlamp. Yeah. And the M12s. I love this thing right here because it's so light. You know, it's my favorite drill. M20, what I call it. M12. Gen 4. But yeah. Go ahead and take out this flue, everything. And we coming on up out. Yes, sir. WGB Home Care. HVAC.